Here's 3 ways that we reduce manufacturing costs. We all know that costs are all going in one direction. Materials going up, labor's going up. But why is it that we can still produce a part today cheaper than what we could 10 years ago? Number 1, at Moxon we embrace new technology. New technologies make the parts faster to produce. A part that could take, say, 10 minutes to produce, we can make that in a minute these days. So staying ahead of technology is very important to ensure that we reduce our costs. Number 2, challenge the status quo. Don't just think about, we've always done it this way. Think about how to think outside the box, how to think laterally, how to think, why are we doing it that way? Why aren't we doing it this way? And number 3, have they ever considered repairing a part rather than making a new one? An example could be some castings, quite expensive to reproduce these days with tooling and long lead items. So many new technologies, there's laser cladding, there's metal spraying, re-sleeving, so many options to repair a part. All these 3 things are what we do. We live and breathe it every day here. So if you want to know more about how to get a part made cheaper than what you paid for it 10 years ago, you should reach out to us and we'll see what we can do for you.